If you are new to beekeeping, you probably have a lot of questions about how to get started. Things like what kind of hive or colony should I get? What kind of tools and protective clothing do I need? How do I set up my first apiary? How do I manage the new bees once I get them? And how do these bees reproduce and what's going to happen throughout this growing season? If you have these questions, you are not alone. Over the past 30 years, Stan and I have helped thousands of you get started with honeybees. You've asked some really great, important questions about bees, and what we've done is we've gathered all of these questions together to put together a series of 6 beekeeping courses. We have an online course for free called My First Colony. My First Colony includes over 50 video and text lessons. We'll take you beekeeping and give you step-by-step guides, tutorials, and everything you need to know to get started. Starts you from a newbie and helps you know what you need to know in order to purchase your first colony and set everything up. Some of the skills you will learn if you take this course include how to choose your first colony, hive, protective clothing, and beekeeping tools. You'll learn what's in a hive, things bees collect and add to the hive. You'll learn the roles of bees within a colony and how honeybees reproduce and grow. Also, how to set up your apiary and move colonies, how to hive your colony, and what to do one day, 1 week, etc. after installing the packages. Since these courses are online courses, you can take them anytime, anywhere in the world. You can start any time of year and refer back as you need to. They are 100% self-paced with pre-recorded videos. You'll have lifetime access, and as we update and refine these courses, you'll have access to all of those changes too. Included with this course is 52 emails. There's so much content out there to learn about beekeeping. You can avoid overwhelm by viewing the content in bite-sized pieces. Emails contain what you need to know for that week and what you can focus on a little bit at a time. Weekly emails will span all 6 courses. You will be able to access the links for the courses that you are signed up for. You can also experience these courses by searching by topic. We've built in a search function so that if you have a question about a specific thing and don't want to look through all the 270 lessons, you could type it in and it will pop up with the information that is relevant to your search. If you sign up for one of our courses, you become a member of our site, and all of the members have access to our Facebook group, which is called Beekeeping with the Honey Company. And that is a great place to post progress of your hive and ask and answer questions for other beekeepers. We also have printable guides that you can print and reprint as often as you need. It has checklists, recipes, tutorials, queen troubleshooting, and more. In our courses, we assume that you're keeping European honeybees and that you live in a temperate climate with a winter season. These courses are totally adaptable if you're keeping another type of bee or in a different kind of hive. We hope you will sign up to access the course My First Colony for free. It has over 50 lessons to help you learn what you need to know to start your first honeybee colonies. If you like this course, then we hope that you will continue our course series and purchase our premium courses to go from newbie to expert beekeeper. We hope to see you there.